The Amazon rainforest is located in northern Brazil and is 2.1 million square miles. To put this into perspective, 1 square mile equals 484 football fields. Multiply that by 2 million, the total comes to a staggering 968 million football fields. Over the last decade, the Amazon rainforest has endured over 24,000 square miles, or roughly 10 million football fields worth of deforestation. Main causes for deforestation include agriculture, cattle ranching, and oil extraction. Millions of species rely on the Amazon's ecosystem, but time is not on our side as the Amazon loses 3 football fields worth of forest every minute. Organizations like Rainforest Action Network are working hard to preserve forests, protect the climate, and challenge corporate power. Visit RAN.org to see how you can help. Protect our forests, protect our home.